찔러 내 맘의 결핍들이 흘러넘쳐 내 안의 무엇들이 괴롭히고 있어 그만해줘 텅 빈 맘을 계속 담고 있어 난 모르겠어 슬퍼졌어 내 맘에 낯이 바라는
I'm eating a banh mi because it's literally 11 o'clock. I got my nails done, waxed, did my eyebrows. But yeah, I'm so hungry. And it's so cold. Today is my birthday party. We're gonna party till the next morning. So I've done my lashes. I hope they look good. Like I have to like curl them. So I'm currently doing my makeup. My friend is coming at 4 o'clock. She's coming here a little bit earlier, but it's okay. So we're gonna get ready and yeah. Yesterday was my birthday party. I was meant to vlog, but I didn't vlog. I feel like it was way too chaotic. Like I was obviously like running around trying to like, you know, organize everything, make sure everyone's okay. We also went to Holy Moly, we did some mini golf, had some drinks, then we went to the clubs, and I came back home like around like 2 in the morning. And then I was like getting ready for bed, and I finally went to bed at like 3:30. So yeah, it was like a long day. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got for my birthday. So this is gonna be a birthday present haul. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this first. This was from Matilda. She got me stuff from Pop and Fun because on my birthday wish list I wanted Smisky figurines, so yeah. So she got me like a Smisky zipper. Oh yeah, I have a card as well. And she got me yoga. Gonna rip it. Let's just see what I got. Yeah, this. Next, I'm gonna open this from Mika. She got me something. So, I don't want to ruin the packaging. Like the way they like tie it is so like pretty and cute. Oh, more packaging. Oh my god, shut up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, shut up. It's a bracelet from Coach. Whoa. This is really cute. That's so cute. I love it. Okay. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open some cards as well. And then this. And this. Okay. This is the other gift. Ooh, very cute. It's like a black pendant necklace and some earrings. So we got that. Thank you. And then Leith's mum got me this Mimco wallet. I opened it on the day. It's like a really cute pink one. Look. So cute. This is actually really cute. I think I'm gonna use the next thing. Oh, this is my Polaroid films. But yeah, this present. I think this is Farrell. It's from Farrell. It's from Farrell because she said she got me the wrong thing. And it's like it's from Farrell. Thank you, Farrell. I think this is the one that like I like ran out of. So like, to be honest, it's like a win-win because I've been meaning to get this. So yeah, it is. Oh my god, Farrah. This is the bottle that I ran out, and I've been meaning to get the same thing. So now I have this. I'll put it right in my skincare. And the empty one can go in the bin. Okay. Pandora, this is from Christina. She got me so much. I'll open the cup. Why is it so big? Oh! Did you really think of me? Did you really think of me and think of this is Minda? Oh my god, this is so cute. Happy 18th birthday, Minda. Thank you for being the most amazing friend I could ever ask for. We have been through so much together and I'm so thankful to have you by my side every step of the way. I'm genuinely so grateful for you and I'm so proud of the person you've become. I'm glad I could be the one to give you advice and hear about your rants. You've made my teenage years so much more fun and memorable, and I hope you can continue this way. I hope 18 treats you well with lots of love, happiness and good memories. I'll always be here for you. Love, Christina. Thank you, Christina. Well, she got me a lot of things. I wonder what this is. Oh, this is the warranty. Oh, I can just rip it up. Oh. Actually, so cute. Okay, but anyways, I got this. Thank you. I'll put it on later. Yeah, I really love it. Like, this is gonna be like my go-to bracelet. I swear to God. The big finale. This is the present that everyone got me. Oh, this is cute. What a cutie. Oh, dear Amanda, happy 18th birthday. Happy birthday, yeah, and thanks for cleaning up my puke from China. This is, I should open the big present first, huh? This is the big present. Like, I'm too like excited and like I just cannot open it. So yeah, I'm gonna put that. I knew it. Bro, this looks so magical in real life. The Canon Powershot V10 camera. I mean, let's open this. Whoa! So good. Okay, let's open the camera. Move this out of the way. I don't need that. Okay. And be really careful. flip it like this, and then it also has a portable tripod. Only gift I really wanted. Like, I don't really care about any of it, but this was the one I really wanted. Thank you. I will make sure to use this every single day, all the time. This is actually really cute. It's so cute. Thank you guys so much. Seriously, thank you, because I know this was really expensive. So thank you guys so much. See ya. Yay, we're vlogging with the camera.
Right, I'll get your name.
Amanda. Leeds just told everyone that it was like an hour and a half wait. But yeah. Hold on, let me. Why is my cheek really that red?
Yeah. How much money? You should do a thing, right? We go up to everyone and go, how much money are you making tonight? I'll do it now. How much money are you making tonight?
100! Go, your turn. How much money are you making tonight?
I'm making any money. I'm negative $20 right now. It's actually really bad. I'm negative $20 right now.
You're obviously gonna make money.
You got an ice matcha. Give me that first. Here, you try it first. Sure?
Rahan said he was 2 minutes away, by the way. Stop, gang! Yeah, I've really rubbed off on Eddie. Yeah.
Wow, that's sweet.
Is it actually?
Yeah, that's really sweet. Right? That's pretty good.
What actually is miso soup? Miso. Thanks, guys.
Isn't it beef?
It's miso.
Is miso a beef?
No.
Am I stupid?
I've never heard of a miso. You got 3 pages.
This could be from
That help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why not order it twice?
Because Christina wants one.
8. A gator. What? Ooh, give me one of them.
We're at $40 right now. 40 bucks is okay. Yeah, I know. That's $5.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is that yours?
Oh, this one's large. This one's massive. I'm feeling my mouth. Oh shit. It broke. Shit.
Oh my god.
Shit, it broke even more. Me and Amanda parked at the parking lot. The one right next to the road. Let's try one of the crab balls.
Oh my god, it's so like crunchy.
What? Crab ball. Want to nibble? Oh, my ball's coming up. No, it's not, it's fine. Oh, balls, oh shit. Oh, so it's down there. Yeah, like. Alright.
Look, we did this much.
So this is what Amanda ate tonight.
This is Amanda by itself.
This was Amanda's
Amanda
meal.
by itself. No, no.
Our food hasn't come yet. Amanda's food's only come out. This is Amanda's side. Yeah, we're still waiting. Yeah.
We just finished eating sushi at my
Dinner,
lunch.
guys.
30. Oh, it's like 10 cents. Cheap.
Thank you for dinner, guys.
Thank you for editing.
Just
So
finished.
full.
Just finished eating sushi.
So full. No, I'm actually.
Oh my god, sushi was actually so good. I'm pretty sure I ate a lot.
Busting on
I
God.
ate a lot. I just kept on ordering.
I know. See, that's nothing.
Oh my god. Wait, no. Time to go. Bye guys, see you at the casino. Hey guys, so today we are at the Lux Cinemas. This is like my first time going to Hoyt's Lux, so...
It says bougie. Pizza salads. So this is like our main.
On the menu.
So we'll get chicken to start.
Buffalo chicken.
I don't know if I want buffalo. I think I want...
You want southern?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get some.
Yeah, but you want buffalo.
No, it's okay. And then...
Main, so we get 2 mains. So one for you.
But I kind of want a salad.
Yeah, you can get a salad. It's for you. You want a salad?
I want a Cobb salad.
Cobb salad?
And then...
I might get burgers. I might get cheeseburger sliders.
Ooh, it comes with 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and do you want any drinks? No, you want a milkshake? Wait, there's a milkshake. I want a vanilla mega. You get strawberry milkshake, I get vanilla.
Okay. So let me see how much that's done to.
You guys there for the 1:30 session?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, cool. If you want to head straight through to the cinema, you can order through there as well if you like.
Oh, can we order inside? Alright, we can.
Okay.
Alright, cheers,
I
man.
can take you to your seats if you'd like.
Oh,
yes,
yeah, sure,
please.
yeah.
Thank you. Look guys, we're actually so close to the scene though. We have like a service button.
I did my scene, This is actually so bougie.
Isn't it so bougie? I like how we're close to the screen too. And we're like blocked. You know what I mean? Okay, let's try. There's so many snacks. Look! What?
You want
Like
one?
these are so cute. No, you know how people like put them on your pants?
Of course.
You like hang them like on your jeans.
Oh, they got a curvy one. Put it on your pants, man. Put it in your pants. Of course.
I'm gonna get these jellies. These jellies where you can just eat them. Oh, this is perfect!
It's like the YouTube videos.
Okay, let's
Do
try
you want
it
to open
now.
it? I can't open it.
This is the Mario. It tastes okay.
Wait, you've had it before?
Yeah.
What the?
It tastes alright. It's just chocolate.
Oh yeah, I had this before.
Take a first bite.
Going in. Mmm. Pretty good. That's pretty good.
I also got these jellies. They come in small little packets and you can just like put them. I think my brother will like these. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Tropical 나에게 selling